Alright my good people, and welcome back again to Anointed Lady TV. We don't call your screen now with breaking news. I will come back again with another legit intel on the things and things where they go on for inside we nation Nigeria. And the cocoa we bring come for you now, my good people, now updates concerning Mazi Kanu case. You know, say the detained leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, maybe Mazi Kanu, he don't come aside now, can make some kind demand we go interest in the Igbo. And the demand we make be say this in trial so make them transfer him to a federal high court ready for inside the southeast, or may they assign him a new judge. If no other judge except Justice Binta Inyako they willing to handle this in case like this now, my good people, Mazi Kanu no get joy at all. This man now, this in trial don't too tire him. Now why? After the routine meeting when they get with in lead counsel will be RI0US for inside the facility of the Department of State Services for inside Abuja, Mazi Kanu just calm down like this, arranging demand, put down for inside statements. Then RI0US will be in lead counsel come pass and give the general public. And this move they come after Justice Binta Inyako by herself been wash her hand come outside from Mazi Kanu trial case on the 24th day of September for inside this year 2024, based on say Mazi Kanu by himself confess him, say he don't lack confidence, he no get confidence again in the way she take the handle the trial. But however, my good people, the chief judge of the Federal High Court will be Justice John Soho. He can later reassign Mazi trial case back to Justice Binta Inyako, and based on say the chief judge passed the case back to Justice Binta Inyako, Mazi Kanu was not happy at all. He can't even oppose the decision of the chief judge. According to RI0US, will be the lead counsel of Mazi Kanu. He said Mazi Kanu now, in his own view, as Justice Binta Inyako they resume the trial, she they undermine judicial integrity. So Mazi Kanu don't instruct his legal team, make them make sure say she no preside over the case. Make them make sure say no be she go be the judge, no be Justice Binta Inyako na go preside over the trial case of Mazi Kanu again. And the central issue where they arise at that very particular visitation day now the upcoming court case for the continuation of Mazi Kanu's case. And still according to Oga RI0US, he say Oyendo don't instruct the legal team to take prompt steps to ensure that no be Justice Binta Inyako we don't withdraw from the case by the virtue of the order of recusal where they enter on the 24th day of September for inside the year 2024. Now go last constantly handle the case again for inside this year 2025. Not be small thing like this, so my good people. Mazi Kanu don't plaster in mind say he no wants Justice Binta Inyako. Even the legal team self don't even the yarn, don't even the call for the trial to be moved to a court where for inside the southeast region. And they even they argue, say after all, the alleged offenses where they accuse Mazi Kanu of, now for inside the southeast region, now the thing for happen if no other judge for inside Abuja is willing to handle the case. The chief judge is very much free to transfer the case to Umuahia or to Oka or to Enugu or to Asaba or to even Port Harcourt or any other federal high courts within the former eastern Nigeria, where they allegedly they yarn say Mazi Kanu commit offense or in offense na the area where the thing can impact, make them carry and go that side. And no be lie, my good people. The reason why the chief judge of the Federal High Court forward the case back to Justice Binta Inyako is not only Justice Binta Inyako we don't handle the case for long. Other judge, if they handle them, something will make them run. But as Justice Binta Inyako handle the case, it come back see if she know what she they do. But now Mazi Kanu don't come outside the yarn, say he no the confidence in the ruling of Justice Binta Inyako. He no trust the way she take the handle the case. In the fair as if the woman is being biased, and he let Justice Binta Inyako know say no be personal something, no be say he hates the woman or anything. It's just that this na in case, and the thing now don't need to choke. He no like him at all. That now why they gas forward and give another judge. Now if you get your own contributions about this matter or anyhow this informate be you for body, feel free make a drop am inside our comment section. Meanwhile, Mazi Kanu will be the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra. He don carry the former media aide of the former Presido Muhammadu Buhari wey be Bashir Ahmad go court. And the IPOB leader dey seek 100 billion naira in damages sake of the comments wey Oga Ahmed talk for inside social media. And the comments so Mazi Nnamdi Kanu dey describe am as libelous and damaging. And na sake of this very particular comment so na through the lead counsel wey be Aloy Ejimako, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu come file the suit on Tuesday, and he dey demand an apology within 42 days. Now this very particular comment of Bashir Ahmed wey come make Mazi Nnamdi Kanu dey provoke na sake of say e get one time wey Oga Bashir come outside for inside im official social media handle for the popular social media platform wey be X. Im come go dey post say anybody wey dey advocate for the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu wey be terrorist and the leader of the proscribed terrorist organization IPOB supposed to be considered a sworn enemy of this our green white green country wey be Nigeria. So for inside court now, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu dey seek an order wey go direct Oga Bashir Ahmed to write and deliver to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu an unreserved letter of apology. And that apology so im go gas paste am for 3 different newspapers, and most especially im go also paste am for im official social media handle where the matter from start. And Mazi Nnamdi Kanu still dey seek an order of perpetual injunction wey go restrain Oga Bashir Ahmed from further or forever uttering those kind of defamatory and libelous words about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. And Mazi Nnamdi Kanu still dey seek for order wey go make the defendant pay the sum of 100 billion naira, and that na for damages, and an order too of the Honorable Court to direct the defendant to still pay for the cost of this particular suit so wey dem file against him wey be Bashir Ahmed wey be former media aide of the former Presido Muhammadu Buhari. So now my good people, as Mazi Nnamdi Kanu don present the matter for court, so the court now go gas notify Oga Bashir Ahmed if it be say last im go challenge the lawsuit. But defamatory statements no be something they take lightly, and evidence dey ground. So if you come be say last na Mazi Nnamdi Kanu na come win this case, so that go mean say Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will be the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra. Im go cash out 100 billion naira. Anyhow, this informative be you for body, or if you get contribution about the matter, feel free make it drop am inside our comment section. You know say now we be Anointed Lady TV. Our hobby now to dey give on our legit intel on the things and things wey dey go on for inside with nation Nigeria. So if you like this update, if you like this news, and you would like to receive more, try make you subscribe to our channel and try make you put on the notification bell so that as we dey bring more news, they come your side, then you go first receive the updates, and you go even receive them sharp. Me they come your side again with another legit intel for you, my good people. Try make you no go anywhere.